Hi everyone, let's talk about importing data from pivot tables. Here we have a very basic pivot table. It has 6 groups. The block length is 2 fields, and the pivot actually starts from field number 4. Let's amend source connection details. So source file is pivot table, first field is 4, blocks 6, block length is 2. Now we are ready to do the mapping. So we just map customer ID, year, product, amount, quantity. We only need to map pivot fields once. Month field is a populated field, calculated field. So let's do some calculations. Existing variable, and we use need to get block number. Okay, let's check if it is actually working. So we just click data preview. As you can see, months or block number is calculated correctly. And now we are ready to import the data. Just click import button. Takes a while. Oh, everything is worked as expected. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or struggling with transforming your data, please ask them on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.